without further ado, let's go ahead and get into decorating. If this is your first time here, becoming a part of my family here so we can grow together. Make sure you leave excited, so pumped, ready. Let's go ahead and get the decorating, y'all. Okay guys, so I am just going to go ahead and take down seasons. So I'm just taking it all down. I'm going to give my console table a quick clean. Quick wipe down, and then I'm going to start bringing in all of certain things that I cannot link, like this big vase, because if you would like to go ahead and purchase them for yourself. So here I am, and I am just showing you guys all of my new stems.